presbyopia, as we've already suggested, देखा है myopia देख के हो गया, hypermetropia देख के हो गया. Myopia में क्या था? What was the problem? What was the issue in case of myopia? It was also called as DCS. What about hypermetropia? Farsighted. Presbyopia. See, often people confuse being presbyopia as a combination of both myopia and hypermetropia, but this is not how things work. It's completely different. Presbyopia is a medical condition which occurs mainly because of aging. Aging is a sensitive factor जिसका सीधा इफेक्ट आईज के फंक्शनिंग में दिखता है, जिसकी वजह से the patient is not able to see things clearly. So again, I'll say the same thing. There is nothing as such to do with the vision, but blurry vision is reduced. Okay.
Myopia,
नहीं, that's different. Here, the power of accommodation. So we recall the same thing. What was power of accommodation? Power of accommodation was the ability of eye lens focus. So a normal eye lens is expected कि वो अच्छी तरीके से अपना focal length adjust करे. Definitely, whenever we have presbyopia medical condition observed in case of patients, तो वो जो eye lens होगा, वो सही तरीके से focal length को adjust नहीं कर पाएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ वैसे ही होने वाला है. The near point here in this case is expected to recede away. It moves far away. The near point. If you recall in myopia, it was myopia में क्या हो रहा था?
When distance is not clearly.
What about the near point?
Clearly.
Infinity. And here the near point is receding away. Here also the second thing which is observed is there is difficulty in observing the objects which are very much near. Again the same thing here. Distance क्या होगा? Normal object को आपको कितने distance पे रखना है? 25 centimeter, which is also called as distance from distinct vision. वो 25 centimeter की distance पे रखना होता है, चीजें normally अच्छी तरीके से दिखेंगी. So the problem only arises in case of patients having without glasses. Those who have corrected glasses with them, they can clearly view things. The reasons what we're discussing, as we discussed, हमने myopia, hypermetropia और अभी presbyopia, सबके दो reasons हमने पढ़े. और presbyopia का first reason is that there is gradual weakening of the ciliary muscle. If you recall, in the structure of human eye, we studied there was ciliary muscles on both the sides which was holding the lens.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So आई के जो लेंस है उसका जो भी मूवमेंट हो रहा है, जो भी मोशन हो रहा है, whether it is expanding or it is undergoing any sort of motion, the motion was only possible because of the flexibility provided by the muscles. Here in this case the muscles are less flexible because obviously flexibility is a property जो धीरे धीरे एजिंग की वजह से लूज होगी. तो ये जो धीरे धीरे लूज होती हुई फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी प्रॉपर्टी मसल्स की है, सीलियरी मसल्स की है, उसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं लेंस की एडेप्टिबिलिटी पे भी असर पड़ता है. Lens become less adaptable and therefore they are not able to focus better. Things appear blurry.
Yes.
First reason was that. Another was diminishing flexibility of eye lens. The muscles which is holding the eye lens is also getting weakened along with the lens itself. As we discussed, cataract was one of the reasons. This being another. Lens itself is weakening. The device itself is weakening. Would you expect the perfect outcome out of it?
No.
Definitely no. Certainly. Now. This is completely different topic. We're done with presbyopia at this point. There are cases wherein patient suffers from both myopia and hypermetropia at the same time. So do you expect the patient wearing एक चश्मा उसके ऊपर दूसरा? No. The lens are being provided in a combined way. कुछ इस तरीके से दिखते हैं वो.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जो lower portion है वहाँ पे convex lens adjust किया है. क्यों इस्तेमाल होता है convex lens? क्या ठीक करने के लिए?
Ma'am, near vision.
Called as what? Convex lens is used to repair what? The alternate name. Hypermetropia. ऊपर वाला surface में there is another type of lens which is called as concave lens. And this concave lens is used to repair myopia. So the patients having both the usual defects can be provided with another type of bifocal lens जिसमें दोनों भी प्रकार के lenses हैं.